Hey guys, so yeah, this is the 92 Voyager 3.3, as you can see there. It's the MAP manifold absolute pressure. So the MAP sensor, see it's just right back here. Okay. Show you around. Back there, that's all it does. Right like that. And the connector, I gotta turn it because the the connector is gonna be on the other side. But what I found out with this is, see how it's touching the manifold, I'm gonna have to file some of that off for it to snug up. I don't know why, but just a little bit, and then be able to turn it so it's going to be facing passenger side, the plug-in. So that's what yours will be. All right, so that's that dealie. Okay, here's the old one. Okay, so basically there's a nut plastic part right there you can undo. Right there. I just was able to turn it by hand. It's tight, but as the factory one I was able to turn by hand. And this one's got the factory has the thread sealer. Okay. And then what I do is I put little dabs of electrical grease on the pins there. Okay. And then yeah, so what I did on mine now is I just put some see, it's pretty bright out, but yeah, so I just put some white tape there to seal it up. Just not much because there's still some of the factory sealer in the manifold. So yeah. Alright, so that's the MAP sensor for the 92 Voyager 3.3. Alright, thanks for watching, subscribing, take care. Oh, one last thing. Yeah, so this is the one I got. Let's see, I almost forgot to tell you. This is I got from AutoZone. Okay, it's a little expensive, but I didn't have to wait. So it's like 70. If you go on Rock Auto, you can get it maybe 40 or 50 bucks or less. But yeah, so it was still a few days from AutoZone, but anyway, that's the one I got. So, all right, take care. Bye now.